Microorganisms are microscopic organisms that play crucial roles in ecosystems, human health, and various biological processes. They are found everywhere on our skin, in soil, water, and even inside our bodies. Microorganisms can be categorized into different types, including bacteria, fungi, viruses, protozoa, and algae. And they can be both friends and foes to humans and the environment. Friends, that means beneficial microorganisms. First, gut microbiota. The bacteria in our intestine play a crucial role in digestion, nutrients absorption, and immune functions. They help break down complex carbohydrates and produce essential vitamins like vitamin K and certain B vitamins. Second, probiotics. These are live beneficial bacteria found in foods like yogurt, kimchi,